Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. I'll look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Bridgestone dueler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Full-size spare tire on the back. We're going to take a look in the hatch now. You can see there's plenty of room here in the hatch. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and dual heated seats. Four-wheel drive and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Wrangler on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.